Have you ever wondered what a single grain of sugar looks like up close? Well, prepare to be amazed, because when you look at a grain of sugar under a microscope, it transforms into a crystal world of wonders. At first glance, a sugar crystal might seem like a simple, uniform shape, but under the powerful lens of a microscope, a whole new level of detail is revealed. You'll see that each crystal is a complex structure, with sharp edges and intricate faces. These aren't just random shapes. They're the result of a highly organized process. Sugar molecules made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen arrange themselves in a specific repeating pattern as the sugar crystallizes. This pattern creates the crystal's unique shape. The way the molecules bond together determines the angles and faces you see. It's like a tiny, perfectly planned building. Under magnification, you might observe different types of sugar crystals. Granulated sugar, which we commonly use, often forms clear, angular crystals. Other types of sugar, like powdered sugar, have smaller, more irregular crystal structures because of the manufacturing process. If you have the chance, try this yourself. Place a tiny bit of sugar on a microscope slide and add a drop of water. Watch as the sugar dissolves, and then, as the water evaporates, the crystals begin to reform. It's a mesmerizing process to witness. So, the next time you sprinkle sugar on your cereal or stir it into your coffee, take a moment to appreciate the incredible, hidden world within. A single grain of sugar is more than just sweetness. It's a miniature marvel of science and nature.